16, no good. Rebound number 21. Pass number 53. Number 53. Basket, yeah, 2 points. Number 16. Number 16. Again, rebound with that ball.
Boiler, promoter, our speed. Thank you sa bawat pumunta sa atin ng Brigada Kahol. Thank you sa dito ngayon, lalo na sa San Agustin Hall. Lahat ng mga empleyado, shout out sa inyo lahat. Lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho, lahat ng sales team expert, lahat ng mga management, lahat ng manager, okay, supervisor.
On a free throw for number 53.
Sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you for all of us and thank you for all the voice of the earth. And yes,
rebound with that ball. A layup, no good. Another attempt, wala pa rin. To number 23, another attempt. Basket there, 2 points, number 23. Outside violation. All the ball down the field, yes, it's
okay, shout out sa lahat ng mga family.
number 53 and bounding the ball.
Kina-close lahat ng mga family sa
Pass number 23.
Elvin Villa Victoria.
To the corner, for the three. No good. To number 16 with the foul, the ball. Out of bounds, ball down the fence. Running score 25 against 27 in favor of Nets. Number 24. No good.
At sa lahat ng mga shoemakers, Rusty Lopez.
Out of bounds. Ball upon. Down the
Okay,
box.
wala na po jersey ay shut out for Italian Sport and logo limited jersey clothing and shut out sa lahat. Thank you sa mga
Sorry. Taking it all. Pass to number 7. Number 7. According to the Offensively, number 24, wala pa rin. To number 1. Pass to the corner. According for 3. And then 3 points. Number 7.
3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Ito po ang kamaran.
Number 18 to number 10. Number 10. Nagpapagala. Wala. Rebound number 21. Alvin. Assist by number 9. Number 1. Might be now at the foul. That was jump ball, sorry. On the point, up next. Outlet pass to Anthony. Anthony loses the ball.
Oy, nabitawan for Ricky. Sayang. Para sa Nomelia system. Okay, 28 years old. Focus for the second quarter. 2 minutes and
Running for 20 is 31. Here up next. Number 11. Number 1 dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. At 24 feet. No good. Same ball. Tap pass to Anthony. Anthony. What happened? That's going to be number 24. Number 24. What happened? Rebound. Number 9. He loses the ball. That's only number 1. Number 1 stopping it. Without stop. Up the hole. No good. Rebound number 21. Anthony for 3. That is round. Number 18, number 18. Back up John. 2 points, number 18. Number 9. Baba. Anthony, number 1, tap pass to number 4, 24, Saya. Out of bounds, ball up next. Number 7, Anthony, pass it down, 2 points. Number 18, assist by Anthony. That's 20 seconds here in the second quarter. Last 15 seconds. Coming by number 25, Maldito. That's his third personal foul.
Thank you very much, Pastor.
Second team foul next. 2 free throws for number 24.
Veliasis team versus Nets.
First round.
From March, the last week of the last day of the month.
Yeah, good.
March 21. Okay, for break. Congratulations sa mga nag-graduate. Sa lahat ng mga
Second round.
Sa lahat ng eskwela. Congratulations sa inyo lahat ng mga bata. Thank you, mga kaibigan.
Ayan.
Thank you very much.
45 to number 22. 10 seconds shotgun. Harvey ilalim ang gandang pasa doon. No good. Number 5 to number 53. Number 53. And it's good. Number 53. Number 21, there is second time, number 53. Fitancor, pass to number 12, Pascal, 2 points, number 12.
Tama ba yung scoring natin? Tama naman. Yung scoring tama po ba?
Vergara with the ball. Pass to Fitancor. 10-second shotgun. Fitancor to make the screen. 5-second shotgun. To Jaime. It's traveling violation. Number 23, outlet pass to number 2. Fitancor, dribbling the ball. Fitancor, tumidiretso pasok yan, 2 points, number 22. Number 18, number 7. Offensively, number 5, pasok yan. Number 22, Fitancor for free. Wala. Nasa kanya pa rin yung bola. Fitancor. No good. Offensive rebound number 12. Number 12. Pasok na yan. 2 points. Number 12. It's Vergara. Number 53. There. Let's go. 2 points. Number 53. Awi for 3. And then 3 points. Number 1. Number 7, Authority pass to number 18. Number 18 back to Authority for 3. No good. Defensive rebound to number 53, Pasokyan, 2 points. Number 53. Itanpong loses the ball to number 5. Number 5 to Authority. Authority, pull up 10, Pasokyan, 2 points. Number 7. Authority pass to Bitangkol. Bitangkol, dumidire-diretso. Wala yan. Number 23, Nabala na bola. Kick out to Authority. Authority, number 3-point attempt. Wala. Rebound number 45. Number 45. He loses the ball. Nakuha ni Jaime. Jaime, pull up J. No good. Rebound number 18. Outlet pass number 23. Number 23, 2 points. Substitution. Bitangkol pass to number 25. Lalvito. Foul. Committed by number 24. That's his first personal foul. Second team foul. Viliasis. First throw, no good. Second throw. It's good. Number 1 pass to number 18. To the winner. Boss Oli. And second shot clock.
Supermarket,
Dan dito sila ng 5-second shot clock.
salamat sa lahat ng mga
Boss Oli to obtain no good. There's a foul.
laro. Ito ba yung
Number 24. That's his second personal foul. Third team foul, Viliasis.
Thank you sa inyo very much. Salamat. Talagang kaya kami sa inyo. Kailangan ba in-helix. So, third one.
Out of bounds.
3 minutes and 27 seconds.
Number 18 pass to number 1. Number 1 at the bottom of the net. Number 1. Number 1, that's his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 9 pass to Boss Oli for 3. No good. Number 24, dribbling the ball pass to number 18. Number 18 at the bottom of the net. Number 18 on the no good. And now try, Pasokyan, 2 points by 24. Bitangkol, nagbababa ng bola. For 3, no good. It's Viliasis ball.
Thank you very much sa lahat ng
Substitution.
shoutout tayo.
Mamaya na pag-dead ball pa. Nabilis na po yung bola.
We have good news in this football.
Number 7. Pass to number 16. Sa kanya. Two versus 1. Transition play. Bitangkol pass to number 9. Pasokyan, 2 points. Bendicio.
159 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Okay, 64 points.
Number 1. Pass to number 18. May tinawag na foul natin. Referee committed by number 10. Number 10. That's his third personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws for number 25.
Again, ito sa UP Jury at TIP at SBA and CBA. Nagkaroon pa mga amang INDI.
First throw is good. Second throw. Pasok din niya. Pasok yan. Number 22.
9 minutes and 52 seconds.
To the corner. Passoy for three. No good. Rebound number 24. Number 24. Looking for an open net. 10-second shot clock. Number 9. J. No good. Rebound number 24. To number 23.
Nanay na lang. Nanay na lang. Nanay.
Thank you.
Check number 22. For three.
Thank you.
Short.
Okay, kapitin sa lahat ng malamigan.
Same ball.
Shout out to you.
14-second shot clock.
Thank you sa mga Ilocano na yung mo na inagan. Kaya kawatan. Thank you sa mga Muslim sa Malaysalam. Assalamualaikum. Ano ba? Sa lahat ng mga
Oh, sorry. To the corner. For three. No good. Rebound number 21 to number 25. Pull up on it.
Yes!
Another attempt. And one. 2 points. Number 25. Foul committed by number 5. That's his first personal foul. On a free throw for number 25.
Yes, nasa sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at mga
Pasok yan.
sa lahat ng
Score 70 against 60 in favor of Philiasis.
civilian. Thank you, yes sir. Let's go.
Basketball sorry, 4-3. No good. Rebound number 24.
Yes, sir. Ako sa kanila kita doon
Assist by Anthony. Out that basketball issue. Rebound number 24. And then the steal number 22. Out of bounds. Call the ball. Now Philiasis. Number 53. Pass to the floor. Number 5. Rebound number 21. Pass to Diesel. 2 versus 1 basket play. Tumitang back to Diesel. Nakakuha ng foul. Committed by number 5. That's his second personal foul. Second team foul. Philiasis. 2 free throws for number 9. Substitution po tayo. In number 16. Out number 24.
Salamat sa inyo sa lahat ng mga pinamahal na mga inyo.
First throw, no good.
Kapatawad sa inyo, everything for
Second throw.
relation, malmalang.
Pasok na yan.
Pinuulo ng University of Michigan. And thank you for ang aking pagpapalit. Thank you.
No good. Rebound number 53. Then Michelle. Pass to number 25. To Jaime. And to number 25. Pasok yan. 2 points, number 25. Oh, leader said, pick up go for free. Bang! 3 points, number 22. Time out.
Ulit speaking ko na. Thank you.
Number 18, nagbababa ng bola. Loses the ball, out of bounds, ball upon ng Piliasis.
Okay, congratulations. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa ano yung mga bagong dating ng mga city player para city player, mahal sa buhay.
Bola po ng Piliasis. Number 25, 3 versus 2. Number 21, Jaime. Pasok yan, 2 points, number 21. Number 25, near the ball. Out of bounds. Out of the way. Out of the line. Sorry. Number 24. Number 18. Set play. Pass to number 21. Pass number 18. Number 18. There's a foul. Number 25. Let's see how it is. First personal foul. First foul. Second foul. Pasok ang kanyang teammate, number 25, 2 points. Running score 17-7-7. 7 points na lamang po ang kalabangan ng Piliasis. Here in the fourth quarter. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Pasok na. 2 points to number 16. Number Vergara to Jaime. Foul committed by number 24. Number 24, that's his third personal foul. Substitution for Kyle. The 13th foul, Piliasis. Pick and call. Very good. Set to be my 12 loses the ball. Wala pa rin. No good. Number 9, Leticia taking the ball. To number 25. Number 9, to Jaime Masukian, 2 points, number 21. Time remaining here in the fourth quarter, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Intercepted by number 25, 2 points, Leticia. Pass to number 18. Leticia. To number 21, Jaime. Papantang tira, pasok yan. 2 points, number 21. Last 50 seconds. Committed by number 24. That's his fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Kulang Jay, wala pa rin. Last 20 seconds. Alright, so nakatapos na po ng ating first game at kasama po natin ngayon ang ating best player of the game, none other than Sir Padilla. Sir, grabe na the team performance. You get a 22 points, grabbing 6 rebounds with 3 assists and 4 steals. Sir, ano po ang kasama mo sa performance mo ngayon na sobrang ganda na nakita ng team?
Since first game adjustment.
In fairness guys, first game pa lang sir, kaya maraming performance na pinapakita niya. Well, anyway sir, baka may gusto ko kayo i-shout out sa inyo ng handog na gift certificate